Hey, welcome back to Christine's Natural Kitchen. Today we've got a really fun recipe. It's comfort food to the max, homemade cinnamon rolls. It doesn't get better than this. And they're dairy and egg free, so everyone can enjoy them. And we got all of these wholesome ingredients at Basil Bandwagon Natural Market, one of our favorite places to shop. By the way, if this is the first time you're stopping by my channel, welcome, and I would love for you to subscribe for weekly healthy cooking videos where my recipes are not only healthy, but delicious. So the ingredients for the cinnamon rolls are sea salt. This is 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of almond milk, and in here I have 1/4 cup of Miyoko vegan butter. You can use whatever butter you like, plus 2 tablespoons of organic raw sugar. Over here I have 1/2 packet of the Red Star Active Dry Yeast, and I have a stainless steel cake pan. You can use another round cake pan. This is 8 inches and it's lightly oiled with some rice bran oil, which is a nice high heat oil. And here we have 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. I have an additional 1/3 cup of the Miyoko's vegan butter that is softening over here on the electric stove. So on medium-low heat, I'm going to warm my almond milk together with the 1/4 cup of the butter and the 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're just going to heat that until the butter melts. So now that the butter's melted, but it's not too warm, it's around 100 degrees Fahrenheit, kind of like bath water. You should be able to stick your fingers in there and it's not too warm, but we want to make sure that all these little lumps of butter are melted. Then we're going to go ahead and stir in the yeast. And we're just going to let this sit for anywhere from a few minutes to up to 10 minutes, just until the yeast starts to open up and you'll see that it gets a little foamy on top. Okay, while we're waiting for the yeast, we'll go ahead and make the frosting. We're going to add the vanilla to the powdered sugar and about 1 tablespoon of our almond milk. Stir that together. The great thing about this is if it looks like it got too liquidy, you can always go back and add a little bit more powdered sugar, which it looks like I need to do because this should not be this thin. So I'm just going to add another couple tablespoons of powdered sugar to get it back to more of a glaze consistency. So you can see that it thickened up quite a bit, and if you want your glaze even thicker, just keep adding enough powdered sugar till you really get it the right consistency. But this looks pretty good. I could thicken it up even a little more. So you can see that we've got a nice amount of foaminess going on here with our yeast. We're going to add that to our 2 cups of flour. And we're also going to add our 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. Stir this together until it's just combined. Let this sit in a warm place or at room temperature for about an hour. So after 1 hour, this is what your mixture will look like. Got nice and puffy. At this point, I'm going to add my remaining 1/4 cup of flour. And after this gets incorporated, I'm going to turn it onto a floured board to make it into a big flat rectangle. Now you can sprinkle the sugar. We're going to sprinkle it all around. Cover the rolls and let them rise for another 30 minutes. So you can see that after 30 minutes of rising, they've really puffed up. I'm gonna bake them at 350 now for about 30 minutes. Time to get the cinnamon rolls out of the oven. Are you excited, Anya?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh.
Watch out, this is hot.
Hot.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this looks so good.
Oh my gosh.
And it smells so good. They got all like puffy and just delicious looking. All right, we can't take this aroma anymore. We gotta try it. And they're nice and warm. That's perfect. You wanna do it by yourself? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, you dig one out of there for Mommy and for Anya. Oh, good cutting. Oh my goodness, nice and warm. Wow, this is like the perfect thing to have on a lightly rainy afternoon like it is here. Let's cut one of these. If this isn't comfort food, I don't know what is. Okay, now let's cut this one here for you. And they're gonna be a little warm, you have to be careful.
Hey, Mom. Gibble.
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, I can see the steam coming off. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, that one might be a little cooler. You want to try like a little piece? You want to blow it? Perfect light crumb and texture with that glaze on the outside. You'd never know that these are dairy and egg free. Completely plant-based ingredients. Amazing. Want to take a bite?
Blow.
Oops. Want to try that one?
Good.
Really good. You can see all that cinnamon in there. Oh my goodness. I think we need a cup of tea to go with these. Want to try another bite? Wow. Moist, rich, cinnamony, everything you'd want in a cinnamon roll. And if you're not subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel for more healthy, delicious videos every week. Thanks for watching.